Hello, dear students. Today we will start the Java lecture series with the features of Java. Basically, the features of Java include platform independence, dynamic, secure, compiled and interpreted, robust, simple, object-oriented, and multi-threaded. The reason that Java is known as a simple language is that it has eliminated all difficult and confusing concepts like pointers, multiple inheritance, and operator overloading. The syntax of Java is as easy as it is in C and C++. So this is the reason the Java is known as a simple language. Second basic feature of Java is that it is an object-oriented language. As we know, to define an object-oriented language, we must define the traits like class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. All these features are embedded into Java programming. So this is the reason that Java is known as object-oriented programming language. Third feature of Java is platform independence. Platform is hardware or software environment in which program runs. There are two types of platforms, software-based and hardware-based. And Java has two components in its platform. One is runtime environment and another is API, that is application programming interface. Java code can be run on multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, Sun Solaris, Mac OS, etc. Java code is compiled and converted into a bytecode. This bytecode is platform independent code because it can be run on multiple platforms, that is, write once and run anywhere. The fourth feature is Java is secured because, as you know, in C and C++, there is a concept of pointers which provides the information about the allocation of memory, and it is quite difficult task to perform these pointers in C. So there are no explicit pointer programs run inside the virtual machine of Java. Moreover, it handles memory management in an efficient way. It allocates its own memory, and even in other languages they often fail to do it correctly. That's why they suffer from the problems of buffer overflows, etc. Next feature of Java is robust. Robust means strong. Any technology, if it is good at two main areas, then it is said to be robust. The first one is exception handling. Exception handling means how correctly a language can remove its errors and bugs and handle them correctly to run the smooth execution of a program. Second is memory allocation. Java is having a very good exception handling mechanism where we are getting exceptions, we are having a meaningful information. Java is very good memory management system, that is dynamic memory allocation, which allocates and deallocates memory for objects at runtime. Third feature of Java, next feature of Java is distributed. By using Java technology, we are preparing a standalone application and distributed applications. Standalone applications are Java applications that does not need client-server architecture. Web applications are Java applications which involve client-server architecture. Distributed applications are the project code which are distributed on number of JVM machines scattered geographically. Next, Java is a dynamic than C and C++ because it is designed to adapt to an evolving environment. Java programs can carry an extensive amount of runtime information that can be used to verify and resolve accesses to objects at a runtime. Multi-threaded. A thread is a separate program executing concurrently with the processes in the system. We can write Java programs that deal with many tasks at once by defining multiple threads. The main advantage of multi-threading is that it shares same memory. Threads are important for multimedia, web application, etc. Thanks.